Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and safe. In the last video, I have given the explanation about creating table in HTML. Theory part explanation I have given in the last video. So today we are going to see the actual HTML code with output. Means here in the notepad window, we have to type HTML code for creating table. See here HTML tag, I have started from HTML tag, then head tag, title tag, and here it is a title I have written creating table, title tag, end, and end of this head tag. After that I have mentioned over here body tag with background color, means basic color is equal to pink. Then see, yesterday I told that caption tag, keep it in mind, this caption tag should be above the table tag. See, before starting this table tag, we should start this caption tag. What is mean by caption? Means title for the table. Yes. So, this caption tag should be above this table tag. Now, caption I have written student record and end of this caption tag. Then table tag I have started and I have written border attribute, border is equal to in double inverted comma 4. Then actual tr we should start. Then tr means table row. Here in this table row I have written two headings, means th. th indicate table heading. Now here in this first th roll number and end of this th, and in the next th I have mentioned student name and end of this th. Now after this student name, my first row is over, that is why I have ended tr tag over here. Now again start tr tag, then actual table data we have to fill, that is why td tag I have mentioned over here. td 101 is the roll number and end of this td tag. Again I have started second td and student name I should mention over here, because here first th is roll number, second th is student name. So in the TD, means while filling table data, in the first TD we have to mention roll number and in the next TD we have to mention actual student name. Then end of this TR tag. Now my second row is also over. Now I have to start again next one TR. So here I have started third one TR and then I have started TD tag, means for next student data. Here TD 102 and end of this table data means TD tag. Then next one start TD and name of the student, that Dia Kanse I have typed over here, and end of this TD tag. Now this, after this Dia Kanse, my second row is also over or third row is also over, that is why I have ended this TR tag over here. Now entire my table data, means filling the information in the table, that point is over, that is why I have ended table tag over here. Yes, when table tag will get end, so I have again mentioned over here body tag and then after that we have to end HTML tag. Yes, end of table tag, body tag and HTML tag. See here, we should mention caption tag above the table tag here only first, here only. Yes, no need to mention this caption tag after this end of table tag. At first only, here only we have to mention above the table caption tag and end of this caption tag. And when this all table data filling will get over along with heading, then we have to end table tag, then end of this body tag and then end of this HTML tag. And then finally we have to save our data by giving table.html. So I have saved this file in D drive by giving name table.html. Now how can we check output? As I told in the last video that we have to click on the start button and in the run option only, when you will select the run option, in the run box only, see here, this is our output. I am telling again here, see in the run, in the search box type run. When run window will come, here you have to just type in which drive you have saved your file. I have saved my file in D drive, so I am typing D over here. See, when I will type D, whatever files are there in the D drive, that all files list will get open. Now see, here it is the my file name, d:/table.html. this is the file. So click on this file. So here d:/table.html file name will get display. Click on this OK. After clicking on this OK, immediately the output window will get open. Now see, this is the output. See students, student record is the caption of the table. That is why this caption is going to display above the table. And roll number, student name, these are the table heading, means TH tag. And 101 Riya Sawant, 102 Diya Kanse, these are the table data. That is why by giving TD tag, I have written this, I have typed this code in the HTML window. Yes, have you understood students? And why this pink color is there? Because in the body tag I have mentioned body BG color is equal to pink. That is why this background color is in pink color. Okay students, hope so you understood this. Thank you so much.